So lesson number 3 is rise up and out. Rise up and out. I know you can feel as I say this that I have a lot of joy about rising up and out, because if I'm able to get to step 3, it means I've allowed myself to move from my current situation into what's possible for me. So rising up and out is about taking those new ideas and visualizing them coming to pass. So it's not just some wish or some kind of empty idea. That when we receive ideas from the soul, they are so important for us to listen to. So number 3, rise up and out, means that I'm visualizing the new ideas. It means I'm believing myself enough to see myself accomplishing them. And it means I've really moved into allowing myself to dream big. And it's exactly what I believe this time is for. And one of the key things I do to help me move up and out, or rise up and out, is to create music playlists. It seems like a simple thing, but what we realize is that the messages that we hear on a daily basis, are very impactful. And the issue with this time is that all the message we're hearing are so negative. And even though we have great compassion for what's going on, and even though, we're not living in a dream world, but we are still responsible for our own journey. And so as we're seeking to know during this time, what's mine to do? What is my soul about right now? Lesson 3 is really important, because as we rise up and out, we can be a greater support for others, because we are bringing our ideas into alignment with our soul. So as we create like a music playlist or even a great reading list to get new ideas in your mind, we want to make sure that whatever music we're playing is in alignment with the new idea we have for ourselves. Not only is this fun to create, it's going to open you up to new music and new energy. And it's going to encourage you to rise up and out, to dream big about what's possible for you. I can't wait to hear your next steps.